الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدًا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على الفلاح الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدًا عبده ورسوله أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. حضرت مسیح موعود علیہ الصلوۃ والسلام کا ایک شعر ہے کہ کس طرح تیرا کروں.
In a verse of poetry of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, he states, "How can I express gratitude, O one of favor? How can I possibly express such words through which I can express gratitude suitably?" To express gratitude for the bounties and blessings of Allah the Almighty is impossible. Every journey I undertake, in its own respect, attracts and absorbs the special grace and blessings of Allah. Just recently, the Jalsa Salana Germany took place. I took part in the Jalsa over there. There also, in addition to the Jalsa Salana, the bounties and blessings of Allah the Almighty were seen to such a degree that one's faith and conviction further is strengthened in the fact that Allah the Almighty is fulfilling the promises made to the promised Messiah, on whom be peace, on a daily basis in a new splendor and glory. Amir Saab Germany said to me, all that came to pass was beyond the imagination of my colleagues and I.
जर्मन लोग और जर्मन प्रेस से इतनी दिलचस्पी इस दफा जाहिर हुई है जो पहले नहीं होती थी.
There was so much interest that emanated from the German people and the German press on this recent tour, which was not seen before. There were addresses at the occasion of the foundation stone-laying ceremonies and addresses at the inauguration of mosques. To a greater degree than before, there was more interest visible from the indigenous German persons, also from the government level, and also from the educated denomination of people. In fact, it was even witnessed that the priests of the churches showed more interest this time around. Then the Jalsa Salana also took place. In that also, we witnessed the blessings of Allah the Almighty manifest to an even greater degree than before. In any case, man's thinking and imagination cannot encompass the blessings and bounties of Allah the Almighty. Although there were very positive expectations of the Jamaat Ahmadiyya Germany that the arrangements would be better this time around and the response of the people would be good. However, the Germany Jamaat never imagined that to such a large, wide scope, beyond their own expectations and the arrangements they had made, that Allah the Almighty would bless them to such a degree. As is my custom at the present time, on the one hand, I shall mention some of the blessings and bounties of Allah the Almighty in light of the recent tour. Secondly, the workers of the Jalsa are given thanks and gratitude is expressed to them. There are some matters relating to the arrangements of the Jalsa, and I will also express thanks. This tour was very short. It was only 10 days. During this time, there were 2 mosques for which the foundation stones were laid, and 2 other mosques were inaugurated. With the grace of the Almighty Allah, the functions that were pertaining to these mosques were extremely successful.
तबलीग का मौका मिला कि मस्जिद के हवाले से जो कुछ
In this respect, an opportunity was gained to spread the message of Islam, to carry out tabligh. And with the functions of these mosques, the misconceptions in the minds of people were dispelled.
मोरफील्डन ने उसका संग बुनियाद रखा
There is Masjid Subhan. Its foundation loan was stayed. There is Baitul Ata Mosque. That mosque was also inaugurated.
इमारत थी और इसको
This mosque was already a building.
अल्लाह ताला के फजल से
It was purchased and then made into a purpose-built mosque.
ने 7,000 घंटे वकार अमल किया है इसको
With the grace of the Almighty Allah,
इमारत को मस्जिद में बदलने में
the members of the Jamaat spent 7,000 hours of Vakari Amal to build this mosque. Then there is Masjid Baitur Rahim.
संग बुनियाद रखा
Its foundation stone was laid.
ना इसके इफ्तिताह हुआ इसका और बैतुल हमीद फुलडा का संग बुनियाद
In fact, it was inaugurated. And then there is Baitul Hamid Mosque. It had its foundation load ceremony.
फंक्शंस में वहाँ मुख्तलिफ मेहमान मुकाम
Baitul Hamid Mosque had its foundation stone laying ceremony.
मस्जिद
In all these functions, local members, mayors, politicians, representatives of religions were all present and took part in the functions.
वहाँ सुबह
At Masjid Baitul Ata,
डॉक्टर रूडोल्फ ने अपने एड्रेस
in the district of Hessin, the Secretary of State of the province, in his address, stated,
एक मुबारकबाद पेश की फिर कहते हैं कि मैं जामिया
first of all, he gave his congratulations. He then stated,
और
I also took part in the inauguration of the Jamia in December.
नूर के इफ्ताह जो 1959 में हुआ उसका भी हवाला दिया उन्होंने और फिर जमाती
He said, he also gave reference to the inauguration of Masjid Noor.
अहमदियों के रवैये का जिक्र किया फिर कहते हैं
He mentioned the positive attitude of the Ahmadis and also the teachings of Islam. He then stated, I have deep regard and respect for your community. I am extremely thankful for working in cooperation with us. I also express my gratitude to all of you that you have made such programs through which the positive depiction of Islam is being presented to the public, including charity walks, cleaning up the streets,
तो ये
helping various children organizations, and carrying out various other tasks and errands. There are many such expressions that were made during this event, and I have just selected a few.
जर्मन मेहमान शामिल हुए थे
In the inaugural function of this mosque,
और 4 मुख्तलिफ इलाकों के
approximately 270 German guests took place. Mayors of 4 places, Secretary of State, Deputy Chairman of one of the political parties,
मेंबर चर्चेस के पादरी
a member of the National Parliament, priests of various churches,
और इसी तरह सिटी काउंसिल के नुमाइंदे
police commissioner,
शामिल हुए
and similarly various representatives of the city councils all partook in these functions.
जो मुख्तलिफ शोबा ज़िंदगी से ताल्लुक़ रखने वाले हैं वो शामिल हुए
Then people from various walks of life all attended.
इसमें वहाँ के फर्स्ट काउंसिलर
Then there is the Baitul Hamid
ने
Mosque.
अपने एड्रेस में कहा
There, the first councillor of the city, in his address, said the following.
कई दिहाइयों से यहाँ
Jamaat Ahmadiyya of the Fulda city is also a part of its past. They have been residing here for many decades. I am very familiar with your positive societal efforts.
बनाना इस बात की निशानी है कि आप इस शहर के मामलात में शामिल होना चाहते हैं फिर उन्होंने कहा
The inauguration of your mosque is an indication that you would like to partake in the local activities.
माल के जरिए इंसान का अंदाजा लगाया करो
He said that
आपकी तरफ से अच्छी बातें ही नहीं बल्कि हमने
instead of just words, it is actions which do things. From you, we have seen that you do not just make claims, but you also followed up with actions. This is what is prominent, and not only do you follow the laws, but you also practically abide by them. In this sense, we should in every sense show tolerance.
तय किया 81 साल इनकी उम्र है
Similarly, a local guest said the following remark. He is 81 years old.
उन्होंने वहाँ मेरा एड्रेस भी सुना उसके बाद कहते हैं कि आपके खलीफा ने जो बातें बयान
He heard my address that I gave at this function, and then he stated, "Whatever your Khalifa stated,
लेकिन तुम देखोगे
I may not observe it in my life, that is, what was said about the progress of Islam. But he said, you will see that through them,
दुनिया कबूल करे
your founder of your community, the message which he promulgated, will be accepted by the world.
दोबारा तशरीफ ले आए वो
Real Islam will spread through this."
में
Then that same guest attended the next day.
नमाज
He said that in my heart I have accepted the truth of your religion. Teach me the prayer so that I can supplicate.
जिस प्रोग्राम के आखिर पर जिला काउंसिल के सदर
Then at the conclusion of this program, the president of the district council
की हमारी ख्वाहिश है
came to the local sadr of our Jamaat and stated that it is our desire
जिला काउंसिल के हेड ऑफिस आए हमने खिताब
that your imam should come to our district council head office. We have heard his address.
और कहा
And many politicians deemed this address to be an illuminating address. And they all said that the address of your imam of your community has left a deep impression on our heart and has had positive effect on our intellect. The Sadr Sahib of the Jamaat there said that since then, people are continuously coming to visit the mosque. Wherever mosques are inaugurated, new avenues of tabligh are opened up, and the introduction to the Jamaat increases. So the Sadr said, this was only 2 days after the inauguration. He said already more than 500 people have come to visit the mosque.
बल्कि ये कहते हैं कि बाज़ अफराद को
Many people showed considerable interest in learning about the teachings of Islam. The Sadr Sahib said that, in fact, it appeared that many of the guests that came were not external guests, but in fact members of our community in the way they were talking, etc. One lady guest said, seeing your imam and listening to your address, I was extremely delighted.
और लव फॉर ऑल हेटेड फॉर नन का नारा हमने बहुत बार सुना है और
We have heard the slogan of love for all, hatred for none on a number of occasions.
बहुत सारी बातें ऐसी हैं जो हमें जोड़ती हैं ना कि जुदा करती हैं मज़हब के बारे
She then said there are many things which unite rather than create discord.
में इख्तिलाफ मौजूद नहीं
It is necessary for a person to reflect upon the matters of religion to determine that there is not that many differences, but there are in fact more factors to unite each other. One guest passed a remark.
पैगाम खलीफा ने पहले दिया था वो ये था कि इस्लाम रवादारी का मज़हब है और ये एक नहायत ज़रूरी पैगाम
The message that was given by the Khalifa before was that Islam is a tolerant religion. This is an extremely important message which your Imam repeatedly explains. So this person had attended one of our functions in the past. Another guest stated the following.
मैं खुद तो फ़आल
I feel extremely good that the words love and affection have been used so many times. I am myself an active Protestant.
पढ़ता कि मैंने इस लफ्ज़ को चर्च
For us, the words love are also very important. But I do not remember this word being used in a church as many times. So thus, this has impacted me greatly. I did not have as that much knowledge about the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat. But this message of love which I have received is not given everywhere. Everyone is aware, and I do not need to conceal this fact, that in Germany there are many reservations with regards to Islam. As a result of the media, an incorrect depiction is presented. Many people do not even know Muslims at all. I believe that wherever personal connections are formed, a person ascertains what the reality of something is.
जिसमें इस्लाम की इतनी
In this sense, in this respect also, journalists from the TV and the newspapers also took my interview. In that, I presented the true teachings of Islam, the need for the promised Messiah in this time, and also the purpose of the mosque. These were the questions that were asked of me, which I then answered.
मजमूई तौर पर 30 अखबारात, 3 रेडियो स्टेशन और 5 टीवी चैनल हैं हमारे
In total, there were 30 newspapers, 3 radio stations, and 5 TV stations covered the inauguration, etc. In the first time in German history, news was broadcast on national German TV. On ZDF, they also provided a report upon the inauguration of the mosque on 27th June. This was a broadcast for approximately 3 minutes. In that, they showed video of me laying the foundation stone of the mosque, and they also introduced the Jamaat.
अखबारात के जरिए मजमूई तौर पर
Through the print media
अफराद तक जमात का पैगाम पहुंचा
and through the newspapers,
और नेशनल टीवी पर कवरेज के जरिए पूरे जर्मनी
the message of the Jamaat reached to approximately 1.2 million people.
इंटरनेशनल टीवी सेट थी
Similarly, through the pictures, etc., the message was spread.
स्विट्जरलैंड का मुश्तरका टीवी चैनल है इस टीवी पर जलसा के बारे में खबर नशर हुई
There is a TV channel which is from Germany, Switzerland, and another country, which broadcasts in all these countries. They also broadcast the coverage. In this way, the message of the Jamaat reached to 3 countries. The Germany Jamaat, at least, did not expect this to occur.
अखबार मेन स्पीड ने लिखा कि खलीफतुल मसीह ने अपने खिताब में कहा
In the newspaper Main Speed was written that Khalifatul Masih in his address stated
कि जहां बहुत सारी चीजें पैसों के एवज दी जाती
that one of the buildings, which was a market which has been converted into a mosque, that
होता है जो
there were many things that were given here by way of money to purchase physical things.
चीज मिलती है ये अखबार खबर लगा रहा है
However, in a mosque, what is acquired is spiritual things, and things are given free. This was what was written in this newspaper report. They also explained about Chanda.
कि अब जमात वहां अपने स्कूल भी
There, the Jamaat in Germany has received status officially on a governmental level, that the Jamaat can now open its schools.
एक हद तक
It can also carry out various other programs.
टैक्स की तर्ज का टैक्स वसूल
In fact, to a degree,
पर मैंने उन्हें कहा था कि जमात चंदे देती है और खुशी से देती
it can also receive
है और ये
tax.
भी कुर्बानी करके जमात
I said that the Jamaat gives chanda and gives it happily. This mosque has been given as a result of the sacrifices. So thus we do not need any tax. We do not need any help from the government either in this respect. Nor is there any need to compel anyone.
अल्लाह ताला की
Our Ahmadis, with the grace of the Almighty Allah, give sacrifices voluntarily and willingly, and they do so to acquire the pleasure of Allah, and they do it to spend on the Jamaat and on the mosques.
के
One guest stated
जो खिलाफत और जमात का है ये गैरों को भी नजर आता है बहुत ज्यादा
the relationship between the Khalifa and the Jamaat is also observed by other people. So this guest stated that the love that Ahmadis show to the Khalifa is not found in any other relationship in the world.
खामोश है और इसी तरह ये जो है खिलाफत का जमात से ताल्लुक और जमात
Ahmadis always want to be near to the Khalifa. And then in terms of the relationship between the Khalifa and the Jamaat and the vice versa, this is also felt by other people, and many guests commented upon this point.
बाज़ चीज़ें अक्सर की मुश्तरक हैं एक ही तरह की बातें हैं बाज़ इजहार हैं जज्बात हैं तो मैं छोड़ता हूँ
There are some comments and expressions that are similar, and thus I am going to omit from reading them.
कि हमें जमात की और इस्लाम की तालीम ये है कि हर मज़हब को इज़्ज़त की निगाह से देखें
When I explained to them what the teachings of Islam are, that every religion should be treated with respect and regard.
होने वाली होगी
These are our teachings.
बहुत ज़्यादा
This mosque is to fulfill this purpose.
दर्जनों के हिसाब से उन्होंने अपने
So thus upon this, the newspapers and on the internet, they highlighted this point profusely. On the internet also, pictures were printed of the mosque.
जर्मनी में इस दफ़ा अल्लाह ताला के फजल से ये तो मसाजिद के ज़रिए से
This time, with the grace of the Almighty Allah, in Jalsa Salana, Germany, whilst previously
जो रिपोर्ट है वो ये
there was a lot of tabligh as a result of different inaugurations, etc. But in terms of the report of the Jalsa, that this year, from France and Belgium, the new convents that came, and apart from those who were being preached to, Malta, Estonia, Iceland, Lithuania, Hungary, Russia, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Kosovo, Albania, Bulgaria, Albania, etc. People from all these countries and delegations came. There were also non-Muslims who came from these countries. Those who were sympathetic with the Jamaat came, those who were being preached to also came, as well as Ahmadis. A large delegation from Bulgaria came. From Macedonia, 53 people came. Amongst them were 15 Christians, 10 non-Ahmadis, and 22 Ahmadis. They came from thousands of miles away. Every single one of them said that we are extremely impressed by the spiritual environment of the Jalsa. The Ahmadis said that this has inculcated a new reformation and transformation in us, whilst the non-Ahmadis would say, we have never seen such scenes in our lives before. For the Jalsa Germany, for Europe and for Eastern Europe, it has become, in a way, a center. With the grace of the Almighty Allah, people from various European countries can easily come and go. In this respect, the field of preaching, of tabligh, is continuously expanding. As is normally always expressed, with relation to the services and also to the children who give water, to the elders who are even serving, with respect to all the work that is carried out under a system. Every single one of the guests commented upon these aspects. In fact, one said, and some said, that this was a miracle. Amalija Taraja Sahiba is a Christian guest who is an English professor from a country in Europe. Whilst passing her remarks, she stated that I have attended the Jalsa for the first time. Everything is being carried out in a disciplined and organized manner underneath a system. From children to elders, everyone was providing help and support. From this, it became evident that your Jamaat is upon a very lofty status. She said, listening to the address of your Imam, I have understood what Islam is. Islam means love, affection, and peace for all peoples. She stated, the Jalsa has left us transformed, and I have felt a transformation within. As such, the Jalsa does not only leave an impact upon Ahmadis. With the grace of the Almighty Allah, the Jalsa also leaves a deep impact upon Christians. In Macedonia, there is a doctor who attended the Jalsa with the delegation, and he stated, I am a doctor. I have been enabled to serve the various 3 wars in the Balkans, and I have given a lot of service to mankind. I have seen people of different nationalities coming to this Jalsa, but there was no difference or distinction being shown between any of them. Here I listened to the addresses of the Khalifa of the time, and I became firmly convinced that I have found my correct place, and that I would have to pass through this transformation. He decided to take the Bai'at, the initiation, and on the last day of the Jalsa, he took the Pledge of Allegiance, the Bai'at. He said, I have also attended the Hajj. There I saw what Muslims are. There I saw, that is, he said that I saw more politics, and the Muslims did not practice what they preached. My heart was not satisfied with them. But he said the reform presented by the Jamaat is excellent. The Jamaat does not take anyone outside of Islam, rather it strengthens one's belief in Islam. He said, I have now accepted Ahmadiyyat. For me, this is the Sirat al-Mustaqim, the right and straight path.
कि हैरत अंगेज बात है, इतना बड़ा मजमा और कोई पुलिस वाला नहीं, ये देख के भी हैरत हुई।
He says it is utterly astounding that in such a large gathering there was no police. This means that even the government are satisfied there will be no quarrels or conflicts taking place here. Then he stated,
मौलवी से नहीं सुने, ये सब कुछ इतना वाज़ेह था।
there were some points raised by the Khalifa of the time which I have never heard from any other Muslim cleric or Mulvi. This made it evident and this made me proud that now I am with all of you, where the Khalifa is present. When I came to learn that there is a Khalifa, I believe that I have found the right path, because there is a need for guidance through the Khalifa.
नौजवान हैं, बायरम ने बताया कि वो नए अहमदी हैं।
Then there is a youngster from Macedonia whose name is Byron. He said that he is a new Ahmadi.
बल्कि कट्टर
He was previously a Muslim.
ऐसे मुसलमान खानदान से थे जो जो जिन मौलवी
In fact, he hailed from such a Muslim family
और
who were very extreme and from whom the extreme Muslim clerics were born.
मुखालफत की वजह से 6 महीने के लिए घर से निकलना पड़ा।
He said, my grandfather became an Ahmadi. As a result of this opposition, he had to leave his home. However, he remained steadfast. Thereafter, his wife also took the bet, the initiation.
यहाँ जलसे पे आए हुए थे, इन्होंने एक नज़म
He had come to the Jalsa.
मैसेडोनिया के लोगों ने लिखी थी, तो मैंने कहा हाँ, पढ़ें।
There was a poem written by the people of Macedonia,
और बच्चों ने
which I agreed for him to recite.
कि वहाँ एक अजीब माहौल पैदा हो गया।
So he and some other children recited the poem in such a manner that it created a very wondrous spiritual environment. I believe that MTA, inshallah, will broadcast this. For one, his voice was very good. And secondly, the local children also partook in it.
मज़ा थी और मुस्लिम अलैहिस्सलाम की आमद के बारे में था। तो वो कहते हैं हमें कहा तो था
This contained praise of the Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and regarding the advent of the promised Messiah. He asked for an opportunity to recite this at the Jalsa. He did not gain the opportunity, but he did recite it to me.
पढ़ना चाहें
I would also like to say to the organizers in Germany that if such people desire to recite poems, they should be given permission and approval thereafter,
उनको इजाज़त मिलनी चाहिए।
instead of other poems. That is, the people of different countries after the Jalsa should be allowed to recite the poems.
उर्दू नज़में ज़्यादा पढ़ी गई आखिर में।
This time there was also a complaint from the German people that they had less opportunity to recite the poem, that is after the address when people recite the poems. So that is why the organizers should take particular care of this point.
ये भी जलसे में शामिल हुए।
There is one friend who is from Belgium. He also participated in the Jalsa.
कि बयान करते हैं कि मैं जमात अहमदिया की बाहमी ख़ुवत, प्यार और मोहब्बत और इंसानी खिदमत से बहुत मुतासर हुआ हूँ। कहते हैं मैंने 2 साल से
He states that I am deeply impacted by the love, mutual brotherhood and harmony emanating from the Jamaat. I have studied the Jamaat for the last 2 years. I was a Muslim, but nobody was aware of this point. One day in a dream, I heard the azan, the call to prayer, and I considered that I was being called towards a prayer. That is Islam.
खलीफा वक्त का खिताब मेहमानों से सुनाई, जर्मन मेहमानों से था इंग्लिश में। तो इसने मेरे अंदर तब्दीली पैदा कर दी।
Today, when I heard the address of Hazur to non-Muslim guests, it created a transformation within me. I have resolved that I shall take the initiation, the bet, and enter into Ahmadiyyat. Subsequently, he took the bet, the oath of allegiance.
हमारे वहाँ के अयाज और ये सब बयान करते हैं कि जलसे से के पहले रोज़ शाम को एक घानियन दोस्त ज़ेरे तबलीग
Another person has related that on the first day of Jalsa in the evening, a Ghanaian friend who was being preached to,
तो ये पता लगा कि नौजवान
the Sadr Shahab Jamaat of an area, had brought him here. It then came to light that this person's heart was almost an Ahmadi, but when inquired from, he said, I cannot take the bet yet due to certain difficulties.
कि रात को सोच के बताऊंगा
He says, nonetheless, at night he left, and he said that I would deliberate at night and let you know.
तो बड़े जोश से कहने लगे
In fact, he left, and when he came to sleep at night, he said very passionately,
वक्त का पैगाम जो तकरीर थी जर्मन मेहमानों के सामने वो खिताब सुन लिया है अब कोई वजह बाकी नहीं कि मैं
after listening to the address of the Hazur to non-Muslim guests, there is no reason left for me to not take the bet. So I have taken the bet and I have come before you.
अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करते हुए कहते हैं
One Christian friend partook in the Jalsa, and he commented,
बहुत खुशी महसूस हुई क्योंकि उन्होंने इख्तिसार के साथ
after listening to the address of His Holiness, I am extremely happy because very briefly but very profoundly he has explained the viewpoint of Islam, and he has explained what Islam teaches.
और हम बहुत ही कम
I desire to hear such straightforward and profound explanations from Christians. There are very few of us who say things so straightforwardly and clearly.
कि मुझे यहाँ आकर नई बातें
One lady stated,
बहुत सी बातों का जिनको बारे में समझती थी कि मुझे इल्म
I have had the opportunity after coming here to learn many new things which I thought that I had knew of before, but here I have come and I have learned about them from a new perspective.
और मुश्किल मौजूआत के बारे में
It has left a deep impression upon me, the address of His Holiness. He spoke about an extremely difficult subject matter, and he explained it
बहुत सी किताबें लिख देते हैं ताकि इनको समझा जा सके लेकिन उन्होंने ये सारी बातें बहुत
in which,
आसान तरीके और इंतहाई प्यारे अंदाज के साथ बयान कर दी
what he explained has been written by theologians in many books, yet he has explained it in such a beautiful manner. And he explained it on a level which everyone can understand. He presented the teachings of Islam in such a manner which everyone could comprehend. It could not create any misunderstandings, and neither did it. Then she said, this Jamaat is completely distinct.
फिर हमारे एक अहमदी बताते हैं एक जर्मन नौजवान मेरे पास अपने अहमदी दोस्तों
An Ahmadi informed that a young German
जब उसके साथ
came to him and his Ahmadi friends and said, I am a Christian.
करने लगा हज़रत नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु
When we started having a conversation with him, he started speaking in the manner of Muslims.
अलैहि वसल्लम कहता और साथ
He would speak about the Holy Prophet with great respect and regard and say the words, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Alongside it, he said that it is a time for prayers. I have carried out my wudu, my ablution.
आपने शुरू में खुद को ईसाई कहा था ना
I want to say the prayers behind the Khalifa of the time. So this Ahmadi said to him that you said you were a Christian in the beginning, but the way you are talking appears that you are a Muslim. So he said that 6 months ago I became introduced to Ahmadiyyat. I read the book Life of Muhammad. I spoke to my priest. He could not respond or answer. My heart had transformed.
हज़रत सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ज़ात को कुछ अंदाज़ा हुआ है
So now my full attention is towards Islam. After reading this book, I came to learn to some degree of the life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Please pray that Allah the Almighty removes all other obstacles.
उन्होंने कहा कि मैं बहुत मुतासर हुआ हूँ
A teacher of German from Lithuania, Karls Heinz, said, I am deeply impacted and I am extremely delighted that for the first time I have become so familiar and acquainted with the Jamaat. Before the Jalsa, I had negative impressions of Islam and the Jamaat, but they have transformed. I have also noted that there are many similarities between religions. For example, the perception of God and the mercy of God, and so on.
में एक उलझन थी कि लोग तालियों के बजाय नारे क्यों लगा रहे हैं
He then added that there was a confusion in my mind that why are people raising slogans rather than clapping?
और तसल्ली बख्श जवाब दिया
However, the Imam of the Jamaat responded to me in a very beautiful manner, and he gave me a very satisfactory answer by saying that clapping may definitely be for expressing happiness, but in slogans there is also appreciation as well as praise of Allah the Almighty.
मार्क मोंटेबेलो ये एक ईसाई पादरी हैं और यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ माल्टा में फिलॉसफी पढ़ाते हैं
There was a Christian priest who in the University of Malta teaches philosophy.
सात पादरी के तौर पर जाने जाते हैं वहाँ
He also writes articles in local newspapers. He is known as an outspoken priest. He presents his very liberal views about the church's policies and also has differences with some of the church's policies. He presents these ideas and opinions in the media. He read the book, The Philosophy of the Teachings of Islam. He read the book of Hazrat Khalifa Masih IV, Islam's Response to Contemporary Issues. He also read Jesus in India. He says that after partaking in the Jalsa, my viewpoint of the Jamaat has positively increased. Now we hold complete conviction and belief that Jamaat Ahmadiyya is an extremely peace-loving community. He also purchased a ring which says that is Allah not sufficient for his servant. When he asked about the meaning, when it was explained to him, he said this is something I should always be kept by one side. He also had a meeting with me. He would ask about the Pope. That have you ever contacted him? I said we once tried to contact him. We did not have contact, but I did write a letter to him regarding world peace. Despite the fact that the letter was given to him by hand, the Pope did not even acknowledge it. Upon this, that Christian priest became very frustrated and was left with a smile. In this respect, I should also relate an old account. Hazrat Khalifa Masih II, may Allah be pleased with him, the second worldwide head of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community, when perhaps he went on his first tour, when he laid the foundation stone of the Masjid Fazl. He also went to Italy. There, Hazrat Musleh Maud, the second Khalifa, tried to contact the Pope. When he contacted, the Pope gave a response that my palace is currently being reconstructed, it is being repaired or renovated, so it is difficult to meet you. There were press journalists who were present there. They asked Hazrat Khalifa Masih II that will you meet the Pope? Hazrat Khalifa Masih II said yes, I expressed a desire to meet him, yet this is his response. The journalists covered this in their news reports in the following manner: that the Pope gave the response to the Imam of the Jamaat that my palace is being renovated, for this reason it is difficult to meet. They also wrote underneath, in order to avoid meeting the Khalifa of the Ahmadis, the renovation or reconstruction of his palace will never actually happen. So in any case, we have to keep on doing what we have to do. There is another Ahmadi who had come from Kyrgyzstan, Ashir Ali Sahib. He stated that I took the bet, the initiation, in 2007. However, there is no mosque in our country. There was a desire to say the prayers in the mosque of Jamaat Ahmadiyya. So he came to Germany and he enabled his wish to be fulfilled by taking part in the inaugurations of the various mosques. Then there is Karakol Ismaili Sahib. He also came there and would express gratitude upon being able to accept Ahmadiyyat. He would always express gratitude to Allah for attending the Jalsa. There is a friend from Niger, Saleh Ahmed, who lives in Belgium. He was a Muslim. He came to Germany. He said that in Africa I've heard speeches of many of the Muslim clerics, but that impact and benefit that I have ascertained after listening to the address of the Khalifa of the time has never been upon me before. I have seen this Jamaat from close up, I have attended this Jalsa, and I have resolved to take the bet, the initiation. In the same way, there was a Marakesh friend. He said that I have also read the commentaries of other Muslim sects and also the commentaries of Jamaat Ahmadiyya. However, I have observed that the real and true commentaries are those that are written by the promised Messiah and the Khulafa. Many of his different difficulties and problems were resolved after coming here. He said, I had full satisfaction and I have accepted Ahmadiyyat.
यहाँ जलसे पर आके मेरे बीवी बच्चों ने भी बैत कर ली है.
He said that after coming to the Jalsa, my wife and children have also decided to take the Pledge of Allegiance, the bet.
कहते हैं मैं हमेशा सोचा करता था कि अगर कोई नबी
Another friend from Niger was also a Muslim. He said, I always thought
ना कि ईसा अलैहि
that if there is any prophet who is left alive, it should be the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam rather than the Prophet Jesus. I would always ponder and reflect on this. After coming to the Belgium, I got in contact with Ahmadis and this problem in my mind was resolved.
फिर मुझे
Thereafter, I mentioned this to my friends and they said that it appears that this community is truthful.
बात को पाकर जिसका एक इमाम और एक खलीफा है बहुत खुशी हुआ.
I also understood about the issue of Khilafat and blessings. I have found this Jamaat which has Khilafat,
बात लगी वो ये है
and I am extremely delighted because Islam progressed as long as it had a Khalifa. What I like best in this community is that this Jamaat, whatever it presents, it always supports what it says with references from the Quran and the Hadith. He did not take the bet before, but on the last day, he decided to take the initiation. Then Bamatu Sahib,
पहले ये कहते हैं कि मैं सोचा करता था
he is also of Kyrgyzstan.
होगी कि नहीं पहले अहमदी थे ये.
He said that I would previously think that would I ever meet the Khalifa of the time. He was an Ahmadi before.
किर्गिस्तान के अहमदियों के लिए भी बहुत दुआ करें.
Then he observed all the Jalsa and he said, my faith has been strengthened.
फरमाए
Pray especially for the Ahmadis of Kyrgyzstan because they are going through extremely harsh circumstances. May Allah the Almighty alleviate their problems. And the so-called Muslim scholars who have brought up all these issues, may Allah the Almighty either grant them wisdom or may He provide the means for their wrath, for their chastisement.
13 साल का बच्चा
There is a new Ahmadi who is from Lebanon. He stated that one day my 13-year-old son said to me,
जमाना कब आएगा. मैंने जवाब दिया कि
you always scare us about the discord of the latter days, but when will these latter days come? I said that perhaps there are hundreds of years left. My son said, this is not correct. We are living in the latter days. This is a 13-year-old boy saying this.
शख्स होगा
Then the boy said, you always say about the Dajjal, the Antichrist, that he will be a person of strange complexion.
कौम है.
This is also not correct, because the Dajjal does not infer one individual. The Dajjal, the Antichrist, infers a nation. Such a Dajjal, such a Antichrist has arrived. So we are living in the period of the Dajjal. So the father said, I was astonished and said, where have you learnt all of this from?
कि जर्मन अशिया देख
The boy said, during watching various TV channels, one day I had the opportunity to watch the MTA German service. Now I watch it regularly, and I have learnt all of this from watching this. Because the father said that I do not know German. So he would always say to his son, relate to me this program, translate it to me, and I would always have a debate about this. So he says, nonetheless, I was extremely angry and said, never watch this TV channel again after today.
फिर मैंने अपने तौर
But the father said that in my heart, I was accepting what the son said.
पर दो अहमदी पाकिस्तानी
Then I myself started inquiring about the community.
समझ आई कि जो मेरा बेटा कहता
By coincidence, he met two Pakistani Ahmadis. After discussions with them, I learned that whatever my son had been saying was true. With the grace of the Almighty Allah, he took the bet, the initiation.
वो कहते हैं यहाँ आके तो मेरे पे जलसे पे
There is another friend from Bosnia.
दुआ करें कि जब मैं वापस जाऊं तो ये असर कायम रहे.
He said that coming here to the Jalsa has left a deep impact upon my heart. Pray that when I return, this impact maintains. There is another friend who came from Kyrgyzstan.
फिर उन्होंने
He said, I observed the most astounding scenes from this Jalsa Salana.
बड़े अरसे से मैंने बैत की थी और कुछ साल पहले मैं
He said, with great love to me,
गया था राब जमजम वहां से लेके आया था.
that I have taken the bet some time ago.
उससे मुलाकात होगी
A few years ago, I went for Hajj and I brought Abi Zamzam.
हार किया वो पानी.
I thought that whenever I would meet the Khalifa of the time, I would give that. So thus, he expressed that love and he gave me that water.
कहा कि मैं
There's another friend
दो अफराद ऐसे थे जो मुहाजिरीन को तबलीग कर रहे थे.
from Syria.
मैंने इनकी बातों में इमाम मेहदी की आने की खबर सुनी तो सख्त बरहम हुआ।
He said there were two people who were preaching to to certain Muhajirin.
यहाँ पर मौजूद
When I heard them speaking about the Imam Mahdi, I was extremely angry
फलाना थी,
and said that by these Satans who have come to preach to us about the Imam Mahdi,
जबकि उनके पास
the angels have disappeared.
कोई दलील थी।
However, I then realized that everything I said was proved wrong by them, whereas they had extremely strong arguments for every one of their claims.
अरबी चैनल से फोन
Compelled, I said that I would have to take the advice of some Maulvi.
फतावा के लिए फोन किया
I then phoned a very famous Arabic channel.
के बाद हमें कोई मुनासिब जवाब मिलता था।
I used to phone this channel for different edicts and questions,
उन्होंने कहा कि तुम फोन रखो,
and after phoning many times, I would then get the satisfactory answer. When I asked about the Ahmadiyya Jamaat, they said put the phone down and then we will phone you. When they phoned, they said that Ahmadis are complete disbelievers. Stay away from them. And not only this, we were called 3 or 4 times on a daily basis from this TV channel, and they said that Ahmadis are kafir.
फतवे सुनता तो जमात के बारे में शक में पड़ जाता है।
So when I heard about the members of the Jamaat, I would feel that they were true. However, when I heard what the Maulvis were saying to me, it put doubts in my mind. So then he would read books and literature from the internet. Through this, the truth manifested upon him. He said, I was called and invited to the Jalsa. When I observed that there were people of different nations here, I thought, am I truthful, yet all of these people false? He said, then I received satisfaction and conviction of the heart, and I took the bed. There was another friend from Niger, Abu Zaidi Sahib.
लेकिन जलसे ने मेरी काया पलट दी है। अब मैं कहता हूँ कि
He says, before coming to the Jalsa, I was not an Ahmadi. However, the Jalsa has transformed me altogether. I now say that everyone should take part in the Jalsa, because this Jamaat presents the true Islam as brought by the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am proud that I have taken the bet and I am entering into the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat. An Ahmadi from Bosnia would say,
लेकिन यहाँ जलसे में आकर इन्हें दिल्ली
before accepting Ahmadiyyat, I was embroiled in all sorts of sin and vice. However, after coming to the Jalsa, he received tranquility of the heart and he now desires to lead his life in an Islamic manner. After observing and witnessing the atmosphere of the Jalsa and after listening especially to the addresses of the Khalifa of the time and after offering prayers, he said that he felt a most incredible transformation.
लेकर पर कायम रखे। एक तुर्क नौजवान ने जलसे
With great heartfelt pain, he requested for prayers to be kept on the right path. One Turkish youngster took part in the Jalsa and from Hamburg. When he left Hamburg, he said, I would not yet take the bet because I have some domestic issues. After participating in the Jalsa Salana, even on the 3rd day in the morning, he was not fully prepared to take the bet. However, just before the bet ceremony, he became prepared. During the bet and after, he kept on weeping and he kept on crying. It was difficult to speak to him. He said that after seeing the scene of the Oath of Allegiance ceremony, he said that there was some power of the unseen that was with him.
भी नहीं था, लेकिन यहाँ आकर मैंने देखा
Another friend said that I had not even thought of doing the bet, the initiation, before coming to the Jalsa. However, after coming to the Jalsa, I have seen how much love and yearning there is of the people for the Khalifa. This left a deep impression upon my heart. I have now resolved to take the bet and to enter into this Jamaat. So thus Allah the Almighty produces different means for the reformation of people. In any case, with the grace of the Almighty Allah, of 16 nations,
अब दूसरे इस्लामी बातें
67 people took the bet.
पहले जर्मनी में
Now I shall discuss some brief administrative matters.
वैन खड़ी करते थे और ट्रांसलेशन कैबिन वहीं होते थे,
This time, for the first time,
जिसकी वजह से
the main hall, there used to be the MTA van and the translation cabins. As a result of taking out of the translation cabins, there was a lot of noise and this caused a lot of issues and there were lots of complaints. Inshallah, they will try to resolve this for the future and they should note this down.
बाज
In the same way, on the ladies' side, there was no arrangement for translation. For some translations, that is. As a result of this, some ladies had to come into the men's hall, whereas now there are such facilities in the current age
यूके में तो उसी तरह है, हर जगह
where there should be translation facilities even whilst walking around. Here in the UK, there are facilities where you can take the translation set wherever you go. There was some improvement in the sound. However, even then there was some echo. As a result of this, on the Friday sermon, I had to ask during the sermon whether people could hear, because I could listen to my echo. So these were the few shortcomings with respect to the sound and with respect to the translations. Efforts must be made by the Germany Jamaat to alleviate these issues. With the grace of the Almighty Allah, there were 3,100 workers and a similar amount of female workers who worked in the Jalsa. There was Waqar-e Amal that took part before the Jalsa also. On a daily basis, 100 or 150 Khuddam would do this Waqar-e Amal, and they arranged for all the organization of the Jalsa. Many of them wrote that we did Waqar-e Amal for the first time, and we learnt how much tranquility and satisfaction there is in carrying out Waqar-e Amal. We will definitely do it again. The Department of Ziyafat, in comparison to the previous year, made better arrangements. For one, there was water available with the food. As I stated, that there should be water on the tables when the food is being served, instead of people going and bringing the water, because this is the instruction of the Holy Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, that keep water beside you at the time of food. The quality of the pita bread, the roti, was better than in previous years. The arrangements the organizers said, and I also tasted it from the Langar Khana, was that it was better. But we will see from the opinions of the people when they come in whether it was better. The level of hygiene was also better, and in terms of the scanning, there was improvements made. With the grace of the Almighty Allah, there was better arrangements in this respect. In any case, men, women, youngsters and also girls all partook in the arrangements of the Jalsa. They made great efforts to fulfill the right of the guests of the promised Messiah, on whom be peace. May Allah the Almighty enable them to serve in an even better capacity than before in the future. May Allah the Almighty continuously enhance them in devotion and sincerity.
الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونؤمن به ونتوكل عليه ونعوذ بالله من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا من يهده الله فلا مضل له ومن يضلل فلا هادي له ونشهد أن لا إله إلا الله ونشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. आज कनाडा, बेल्जियम, आयरलैंड वगैरह कुछ जलसा सालाना हो रहे हैं. अल्लाह ताला
Today in Canada, Belgium, Ireland and so on, there are Jalsa Salanas that are beginning. May Allah the Almighty also enable them to attend and participate and undergo the Jalsa in the true and correct spirit. May their Jalsas also conclude in a successful manner. Also, the UK Ijtima of Khuddam al-Ahmadiyya is also beginning. May Allah the Almighty enable the youngsters and the youth there to fulfill the true purposes of the Ijtima in the correct manner. May every Khadim and every member of the Jamaat remember that the purpose of the Ijtimas and Jalsa is to ascertain the pleasure of Allah and to reform oneself and to increase one's spirituality. Give special attention to these things.
وينهى عن الفحشاء والمنكر والبغي يعظكم لعلكم تذكرون اذكروا الله يذكركم وادعوه يستجب لكم ولذكر الله أكبر